Hey guys, this is Brian. These are the Powerowl AAA NIMH rechargeable batteries. They come in little shrink-wrapped packs of 4 here. Comes with the instruction manual, which is just basically telling you what not to do with the batteries. We're going to test these out with a multimeter. So I've got this set to DCV at 20 here, and we're just going to test the batteries out. I think they're supposed to be at 1.2 volts. So this one's 1.31, which is good. This one, we're just putting one probe to the negative end, the red to the protruded positive end.
I don't think so.
And this is what they look like. So 1.2 volts, 1000 milliamps.
Target doesn't have the
And
coding that we usually get, but I
we'll
think
go
we're
ahead
good.
and do this one here. We've got the negative on the negative end, the red on the positive,
That's
and they're all
very
coming in
good.
at about 1.3,
Target's still going.
1.31 volts here. So let's read this one real quick.
Yeah, we
Yep,
just
right
got
on the
that.
money, 1.31 volts on this one. I did have a previous battery from a different video. It was zero point 0.9, so for some reason that one was a little off. I have not recharged
Unfortunate.
these yet, and I'm going to do that in just a second here. So I have the Powerowl charger here. I'll go ahead and charge these up here, and you can charge AA or AAA batteries in this, which is really nice. So we'll go ahead and put these in like so. So you can see how they fit like that. It's got the red light, meaning that it's not fully charged, but it's charging. So I'll go ahead and put the second one in here in the same fashion. I'll wait for these to charge up, and I'll do that with the rest of the batteries as well. The double A's, when they fit in, they just extend to the all the way to the end instead of just hitting that bottom metal probe. So I'll go ahead and try these out, but so far so good with these Powerowl AAA batteries.